Hello guys, it's your girl Leda here. Again, I'm going to take you through how to apply for GoTranscript. GoTranscript is a transcription company which pays very well. It pays 0.60 per minute in transcribing. Therefore, we're going to Google GoTranscript. After that, you're going to sign up in GoTranscript. Looking to be a GoTranscript freelancer? Yes, so we visit here. After that, we click apply now in English or whichever language you are comfortable with. Therefore, you're going to put here your email address, your password, and then you sign up. Okay. After you have clicked sign up, it will bring you to such a page. Apply for transcriber position. To apply for transcriber position, you must complete quiz 100% correct using our guidelines. So you must score 100%, not 99, not 98, but 100%. With my answers that I'm going to provide for you, you will see that you will score 100%. Okay? Let's begin by what is the correct what is the correct way to mark false starters in full verbasm? What is the correct way to mark false starts in full verbasm? In our guideline, in full verbasm here, in full verbasm, what's the correct way to mark a what? A starter, a false starter. So in a false start, we can see that I am wanted double dash, but it doesn't have a space here, but has a space afterwards. Okay. So there's no need to mark a full start in full verbasm. No. I went to bed, but this is a triple dash and slept well last night. I went to double dash and then I slept well last night. This is the correct answer. In number 2, what is the correct form of addressing internal dialogue? What is the correct form of addressing internal dialogue? In our guideline, here in our major rules, in our major rules, it is here down in, is it number 20 something? Here, number 22. Dialogues. No, this is quotation marks. We have dialogues, sound events, in dialogues. In our major rules, number 23, in our quotation marks, we are told internal dialogues are seen as direct quotations as well. So we are supposed to do what? Double quotation mark are used whenever there is a direct quotation. For example, this one, she said, comma, we open quotation marks, don't bother telling me, full stop, then closing quotations. Okay. Another example in internal dialogue are seen in direct quotation as well. For example, and then I thought to myself, comma, opening, then capital, then question mark, then closing. Okay, closing quotations. So here, then I told myself, comma, opening quotation marks, then quotation marks. What if I can't make it? Question mark, then closing. The problem in this answer is that the W in it is small letter, so this is wrong. Then I told myself, comma, opening, what if I can't make it? Question mark, then closing. The W in what is in capital letter, so this is the right answer. Then I told myself, semicolon. So this is wrong. It's supposed to have a comma. Okay, this is a comma. In D, the question mark is after the quotation mark, which makes it wrong. Okay. In number 3, in full verbalism starters, why is this dash? In this one, the answer is here. The answer is here in double dashes and single dashes. So we are told that even using single dashes, here is it. Even in our example, in full starter, where is this moist? You see, there's a dash, there's a dash. Okay, so our answer is, where is this? This one, dash, dash. Okay, you can see it in the example there, in the guidelines. Which sentence or sentences are correct, capitalized, and punctuated? So first of all, in number 4, our A is wrong since Jack have started with the small letters. Our D, it's wrong since Jack have started with the small letters. We have remained with B and C. So in our guideline, we are told, in our guideline, in number 26, we are told that if the conjunction and, for, or, nor, so, yet precedes an independent or a main clause, use a comma before the conjunction. So our correct answer is tried Jack tried a new diet, comma, but he still gained weight. Also, our correct answer is Jack tried a new diet but still gained weight. Okay? So in either way, it's still correct. But it's wrong. Jack tried a new diet, comma, but still gained weight. You can see. So our correct answer is this one and this one. So in our test, our correct answer is B and C. Okay. I have dreamed of becoming a musician. So in our guide, we are told that each and every time we have a affirmation, you can see a full verbalism example. So each and every time we have affirmation like okay, comma, affirmation, then comma, then we continue the sentence. So it should have a comma, then affirmation, then a comma, then we continue the sentence. So this is the correct answer. We should have a comma. Which sentence is correctly capitalized and punctuated? Okay, first of all, B is eliminated since it have started with a small letter. B and A, they are both eliminated since they have started with the small letters. So we have remained with A, C, and D. So in A, she came to me and said, we have a semicolon, which makes it wrong. In C, she came to me and said, comma, this is right. And D, she came to me and said, comma, this is right. Then opening, I'm not tired, I'm exhausted. Why don't you leave me alone? Question mark, then quotes. This is right. This is quotes, then question mark, which makes it wrong. Okay, in our next question, which forms are not appropriate to use for affirmation in full verbalism? Our answers are here. This is clean verbalism. So in full verbalism, only use these forms of affirmation and negatives. So affirmations are and ah. The rest they are not affirmation. So this is not an appropriate one. This is appropriate one. This is appropriate one. This is not. This is the appropriate one, this is not. Okay, you can see them here. Okay, so in number 8, I dash to the gym last night. I went to the gym last night. I was, I go, no, I gone, no, I went to the gym last night. Double quotation marks are used to are used dash. Double quotation marks, they are here. In number double quotation marks are used, these ones, double quotation marks are used whenever there's a direct quotations, okay? And here, internal dialogues are seen as direct quotations, so they are used in internal dialogue and everywhere where there is a direct quotation. So for quotation marks are not used at all, no, this is wrong. For internal dialogues and whenever there's a direct quotation, yes. He dash my brother, he is my brother, he were my brother, no. He am my brother, no. He is my brother, yes. He are my brother, no. So our answer is he is my brother. So after confirming, when you click the confirmation button here, if you have scored 100% correct, it will take you to the audio test. But if you have not scored 100% correct answers, it will take you to try again. Okay? So we're going to click our confirmation button. After we have clicked our confirmation button, it will bring us here motorcycle. Select all squares with motorcycle. So it is this one, 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 and this one. So we verify. After that, it will take us to our audio test. This shows that we have scored
This audio is used for the
100% correct. Okay? If we had not scored 100%, it could tell us to try again. Up to there. Are we together? So if we score 100% correct, it will take us to our audio test. Okay? Okay, thank you. Therefore, in our audio test, this is our audio test for today. It have changed. As you can see, it have changed.
transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Way back in the 70s, a
Concept have changed. So we are going to listen to it, type it, re-listen to correct the minor and major errors. After that, we are going to submit it. Okay? And after submission, after transcribing your audio, you will listen to it, write it again, and then send it for review. After that, thank you for applying. Reviewing process can take up to 30 days. Thank you guys, and remember to subscribe to my channel so that I can be able to be bringing for you the different tests in GoTranscript. Thank you so much guys. Remember to subscribe. Thank you.